Okay, hello everyone. Now in this video we are going to learn how to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. Perimeter, addition of all three sides are given. Okay, in this construction what is given? Perimeter means what? Addition of three sides of a triangle. Okay, base is given and angles which include the base are given. Okay, now here this we are going to learn with the help of the example. So here example is construct triangle ABC such that where the addition of all three sides is nothing but a perimeter, and the base angles are given. Angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Now for that what we are going to do, we are going to find the angle B, half of the angle B. Okay, first we'll find the half of the angle B. So half of the angle B is equal to consider it is angle X. So half of angle B is 70 degree is equal to angle X, and this is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 2 35. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, so X is equal to 35. Similarly what we will write? We will write half of angle C is equal to, I'll take the another variable angle Y. So half I'll write as it is, angle C is 60 degree is equal to angle Y. Therefore angle Y is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are, so it is 30 degree. First step for this construction, for such type of construction, is to find out the half. Okay, now reason why to take half, that I will explain in my next video. Okay, now it is important to learn how to construct. So your first step will be what? You will have to take half of the angle, given angle. Okay, so angle B 35, angle C 60, and these are not angle B and angle C, that's why we will take the different name. Okay, you can take any other. I have taken here angle X and angle Y. So first step to find out the half. Okay, now what we'll have to do, we'll draw the analytical figure. Okay, we'll draw the analytical figure. In analytical figure we'll draw AB plus BC plus CA, one line. Okay, that is equal to how much? 11.3 centimeter. That is equal to analytical figure, so without measurement, 11.3 centimeter. So here I will write the another name. I can write here PQ. Okay, after that what I am going to do now, I will take here instead of P I will take here, I have written here PQ, but I said now instead of P and Q I have taken already the name, that is it is angle X. Okay, and this is angle Y. Okay, I have already taken in this angle X, angle Y. Okay, so angle X is 35 degrees, so I will draw here 35 degree. This is analytical figure, so without measurement, this is 35 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay, this is 30 degree, this is 35 degree. Okay, and this one is 30 degree, and both the angles are definitely going to meet at one point, and that point will take P. Okay, that point will take P. Now we'll draw the perpendicular bisector here, okay, of XP, and I will give the name here. The name will be what? Here the name will be so this is your point. Now X is related to what? B. It is correlated with B, so this point will be your B. Okay, so it is a perpendicular bisector, so I'll have to draw the perpendicular sign here and here identical mark. Then I will draw the perpendicular of this PY. Okay, this PY. So this will be your, this Y is correlate with C, so this point will be C. Okay, and I will draw the perpendicular sign here. This is identical mark. O. Now our triangle is what? ABC. So here instead of P, I will take directly the point A. I will take directly the point A. Okay, and then I will join AB. Okay, then I will join AB and AC. AB and AC. Okay, so this is the required triangle. Okay, this is the required triangle. Now this is analytical figure. Okay, this is analytical figure. Now we will construct the fair one. Now we will not make the mistakes here what we have done, like P we have taken and all. No, because this is the analytical figure, so we come to know that here point, remaining point will be there. Angle B, angle C is on the base. Okay, so which point is left? Now this point is left, so this will be the third point of the triangle. Now we will construct. Base will be what? AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3 centimeter. Is equal to 11.3 centimeter. So we will draw here 11.3 centimeter base. 11.3. 11.3. Okay, and we will give the name here XY. XY 11.3 centimeter. 11.3 centimeter. Now what is angle X? Angle X is 35. This is protector. Measure angle X 35. Measure angle X 35. Okay, and we'll join. We'll draw this. So this will be 35 degree. Okay, and angle Y, this is angle Y. Angle Y will take 30 degree. Angle Y will take 30 degree. Okay, and we'll join this. So this is the arrow. Okay, so this point is what? This point is our A. This point is our A. Okay, means out in this concept triangle ABC we got point A. Now we'll have to draw B and C. For B and C, what we are going to do? We will first draw the perpendicular bisector of AX. How to construct? I have already explained in my one video. You please refer that. More than half. Okay, more than half. Now we are constructing perpendicular bisector of AX. So we will have more than half of AX. Okay, so we'll draw arc here. We'll draw arc down. Okay, now same thing we are going to do from point X. We will intersect this and we will intersect this, and then we will join. So this point is what? This point is B. This point is B. And this is the perpendicular bisector. So we have to draw the identical mark and sign. And we'll have to put the arrow. Okay, now we'll have to do the perpendicular bisector of what? We'll have to do the perpendicular bisector of AY. More than half. We'll draw arc here. We'll draw arc down. Okay, we'll keep here on point A. We'll draw arc here and here. Okay, so here now we'll be having here one point. Okay, and here one point. We'll join this. We'll join this. Okay, so this point will be what? This is the arrow over here, arrow here, perpendicular, identical mark, and this point is your point C. Okay, now we have B, we have point C, we have point A. Now we'll join AB, we'll join AB, we'll join AC, we'll join AC. So this is nothing but a required triangle. You can shade this required triangle. Okay, and you can measure with the help of protractor. This will be your 35 degree, sorry 70 degree, and this will be your 60 degree. You can measure it and you can check. Okay, thank you.